Finding affordable housing in Metro Atlanta has become an exhausting battle for many people. Persistent inflation with its relentless rise in the cost of living has turned this quest into a near impossible task for many renters. And our own Fox 5 real estate expert John Adams brings us his analysis along with some tips to ease the pain. John, good morning. How are you, man?
Good morning. I am excited to be here. Thanks for having me. You know, interestingly, rents have actually fallen in Metro Atlanta in the last year. Unfortunately, it's not helpful.
Right, because it's still so stinking
It's still so high. And the reason they're falling is a lot of apartments, as you know, were built during the pandemic when interest rates were really low. Those are coming online right now, but they're high-end apartments. They have doormen and sports complexes and restaurants inside. So that's not helping folks looking for affordable housing. We've got high rent prices that people are having to deal with. I don't see that changing. The costs that developers and landlords are facing continue to go up. Taxes are up. Everything's up. So I don't see that coming down.
You mentioned the nice and new apartments, but
Yes.
what about home rentals?
Home rentals are not coming down. Those continue to be in demand. And the problem is the new regulations regarding landlording that we've seen in the last couple of years are pushing a lot of mom and pop landlords to say, you know what, I've done very well with inflation. I own these rental houses free and clear. Let's just sell them and get out of the business. And so then either they go to owner occupants, which doesn't help our rental market, or they're bought by big corporate landlords. There's a popular misconception that they somehow jack up the prices. I wish somebody would teach me how to jack up prices because I've never been able to do it. But nonetheless, there is a disturbing trend toward more and more corporate home ownership and less mom and pop landlording. The second area that we talked about, there's very limited affordable housing. Builders are not building entry-level homes. That's what we need. They're building high-end homes, McMansions, which is wonderful, but those aren't going to be rental houses.
Right.
We need a place for people to live that aren't ready to buy or choose not to buy. And that brings us to our last situation. We have seen when the legislature this year said you can't charge more than 2 months as a 2 months rent as a security deposit. A lot of landlords have now turned and said, okay, in that case we'll begin charging administrative fees. And we are now seeing $250, $350 just to make an application, and you don't know if that's going to be accepted or not. So it's like throwing good money after bad. The tips I would give people real quick.
Yeah, your bottom line is we're almost out of time here, John.
There is a house for everybody. You've got to stay informed. You've really got to watch what's happening with the marketplace. You got to negotiate. Don't be afraid of talking to your prospective landlord and say, hey, can we make a deal on this somehow? You got to plan ahead and you've got to look for support. There is support out there, but it's few and far between. You got to check it out, get applied ahead of time, and be ready to take action.
I have a feeling a lot of people might have questions for you.
Hope so. I'll be here for an hour.
All right, so we appreciate it, John. Thanks. And as he mentioned, he'll be here after the show taking your questions on Facebook Live. So you want to take advantage of that. You can also find this segment on our website, fox5atlanta.com.